I have a secret. I've had really bad back pain since the 1st of March 2023. I had an extremely busy period during my first 2-3 months of work, and I was sitting down for 12 hours plus 16-hour days just editing videos like crazy, and I ended up getting sciatica down my right leg. I had about 6 sessions with the osteopath in the first quarter of the year, so maybe late March, April, and more recently after filming a few weddings and having a few events at work, I ended up aggravating the pain in my back a bit more, and the pain became unbearable. I haven't been able to sit down at my desk for a full day of work for at least 3 months. Usually I spend my day standing, having to walk about to make things better. After about an hour or so of sitting down, I start feeling really uncomfortable. So I booked a few more sessions with the osteopath and started really focusing on the way I'm sitting, spending a lot more time standing using the standing desk, and stretching, always stretching, every day, multiple times a day. And when we came to the end of our session, I felt like things were slowly getting better, but I was still struggling with the pain. So now that we're 12 days into this Polar Vantage V3 challenge, the last thing I expected to get as a result from this challenge was my back pain nearly disappearing. Back in the days, if you had back pain and you'd hurt yourself, the advice from the doctor would be go and lie down and just rest. Obviously now we understand that's really not good advice, but I've been shocked to find out the more that I've been walking, working out, and particularly running. The day where the big change came was when I went for a run. I've been feeling a lot better. The pain in my back is still sometimes there if I end up having bad habits and sitting down for too long, but I feel so much better. This is an unexpected side effect from doing the Polar Vantage V3 challenge, but it's one I gladly welcome, and I'll be keeping up with the challenge until we hit the 31-day mark. But just having that feeling of my back feeling a bit better is really helpful, and it's encouraging me to run a little bit more just to see the difference. I mean, I am stretching as well and doing bodyweight exercises, but the running has been so impactful. See you in the next video.